Hey guys, I'm so excited to dive into this topic with you today. I remember when I first started trading, and let me tell you, it was a roller coaster. But don't worry, I've made every mistake in the book so you don't have to. In this video, we're going to break down how to start trading in 2025, beginning with a small investment and gradually building your confidence. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll feel ready to take on the markets. Right. So let's kick things off by talking about why trading can be such an effective way to grow your wealth. The potential here is huge, guys. With trading, you have the opportunity to make money in both rising and falling markets, which is pretty cool. Plus, with online platforms, it's more accessible than ever before. You can literally start from your bedroom. But, it's super important to understand the difference between trading and investing. Trading is more about short-term price movements, while investing is a long-term game. As a beginner, you need to be clear about your goals. Are you looking for quick gains or building wealth over time? This clarity will shape your entire approach. Okay, moving on to the nitty-gritty of getting started. First things first, you need to choose a reliable and regulated trading platform. This is crucial, guys. You want a broker that's secure, user-friendly, and offers good customer support. Do your research, read reviews, and maybe even try out a few demo accounts before committing. Now, a key point I want to emphasize. Start small. I can't stress this enough. When you're just starting out, only risk what you can afford to lose. It's all about building experience without putting your financial health at risk. The goal is to learn and grow, not to get rich overnight. Let's talk about some key concepts you need to know. In the trading world, you'll come across terms like stocks, ETFs, Forex, and cryptocurrencies. These are all different instruments you can trade. Stocks are shares in a company, ETFs are baskets of securities, Forex is currency exchange, and well, crypto is crypto. Each has its own characteristics and risks. Now, when it comes to actually making trades, you need to understand things like reading charts and different types of market orders. Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it is. Charts show you price movements over time, and orders are just instructions you give to buy or sell. Start with simple market orders and work your way up from there. Alright, let's dive into one of the most important aspects of trading, risk management. When you're just starting out, it's crucial to stick to low-risk trades. This means avoiding complex strategies and steering clear of leverage. Leverage can amplify your gains, but it can also magnify your losses. And trust me, you don't want that headache as a beginner. Instead, focus on simple, straightforward trades. Maybe start with well-known stable stocks or ETFs that track major indices. The key here is to get comfortable with the process of trading, without exposing yourself to unnecessary risk. Slow and steady wins the race. Now, something that separates successful traders from the rest: thorough research. Before you make any trade, you need to know what's going on in the market. This means following financial news, understanding economic indicators, and keeping an eye on overall market trends. It might sound like a lot, but it becomes second nature over time. One strategy that can really help minimize risk is trend following. Basically, you're looking for established trends in the market and trading in that direction. It's like surfing. You want to catch the wave, not fight against it. Of course, trends can change, which is why staying informed is so crucial. Okay, let's talk strategy. Every trader needs a game plan, and that starts with setting clear goals. What are you trying to achieve? How much time can you dedicate to trading? What's your risk tolerance? These questions will help shape your trading strategy. Once you have your goals, you need to develop a trading plan. This is like your personal rulebook for trading. It should outline things like what you'll trade, when you'll trade, how much you'll risk per trade, and what your entry and exit criteria are. The key is to be consistent and stick to your plan, even when emotions are running high. Let's get real for a moment. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster. You'll have wins that make you feel on top of the world, and losses that, well, don't feel so great. The key is to develop the right mindset. Losses are part of the game, and every experienced trader has them. What matters is how you handle them. This is where a trading journal comes in handy. After each trade, jot down what you did, why you did it, and how it turned out. Over time, this will help you identify patterns in your trading, both good and bad. It's like having a coach that's with you all the time, helping you learn and improve. As you gain experience and confidence, you might start thinking about scaling up your trading. This is exciting, but it's important to approach it carefully. Look for signs that you're ready, consistent profitability over time, a solid understanding of your strategy, and good emotional control during trades. When you do decide to increase your investment, do it gradually. Don't suddenly jump from small trades to massive ones. Instead, slowly increase your position sizes while maintaining the same level of risk management. It's all about sustainable growth. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the importance of continuous learning. The market is always evolving, and so should you as a trader. There are tons of great resources out there. Books, online courses, trading forums, and even social media accounts focused on trading education. The key is to find reputable sources and never stop learning. And there you have it, guys. Your guide to getting started with trading in 2025. Start small, manage your risks, stay informed, and never stop learning. Trading can be an incredible journey of personal and financial growth if you approach it the right way. Now, it's your turn to take that first step. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe for more trading tips and hit that notification bell.